Guys, he gonna unboxing his new GoPro. Just arrived today. Delivered from he ordered it from Lazada Mall.
It's about total time 2 weeks delivery from order.
2 weeks.
Really nice job on the packaging.
Yeah, it's a lot of bubble wrap. It's not cheap. Oh, there's another. Hero 9 Black GoPro. Okay. Karen. New GoPro. Okay, you have to connect it. How much they 20 MP.
20 megapixel.
Yeah. And guys, as you can see, voice control, slow-mo,
1080
data overlays,
live stream 1080, time warp,
super photo,
webcam mode,
touch screen. Okay,
here's the seal. I will cut the seal. It's with a nice case.
wow, it comes with a nice case.
It is hard. It is not soft case. It is hard case.
Wow! Look at the guys. Yeah, it comes with.
There's
What's that?
USB Android cable,
Yeah, I think a cable. Yeah, cable for charger.
battery,
Yeah, battery.
the handle for the bottom, the attach for the helmet, and this is also for the attach for the helmet. So another plastic wrap here. Very nice packaging. Here's the pull off for the screen film, protections film.
It's really protect with that. What do you call that?
Oh, this is a nice case. I'm happy. All the instructions are included.
Yeah.
It's good. I like written instructions.
Yeah, there's an instruction book.
How to charge the battery. How to set up the helmet cam. Very nice. That's what I want. I want to ride my motorcycle with this on. Going into San Juan. I don't have what?
Wow.
Wow. Has a very solid, heavy feel. I thought it would be like lightweight, but for its size, it is actually quite substantial.
Mm-hmm.
Touch screen. Well, I'm going to have to plug it in and get it charged up. Here are the connectors on the bottom for the locking handle, for the tripod mounts, and the helmet mounts, and handlebar mounts, and all of the mounts. Many hundreds of different, I don't know about hundreds, maybe 100, maybe. Different kinds of mounts for the GoPro to put on everything. They have chest straps and head straps, and you can put on your forehead. Well, finally, now I have a camera that will work.
Yeah, that's it, guys, for the unboxing. We're gonna put some clips so you can see.
Yeah, but my problem right now is I don't know much about it. My first GoPro, so I have to learn before I can talk about it, because I don't want to talk about something I don't know anything about.
Yeah, so yeah, this is his.
There's enough guys on the internet doing that already.
Okay.
Right beside where the battery goes, under the little cover on the side. Just plug it in, very simple. Just like Android charge phone charger, and then put it in, plug it into.
Hi, guys.
Why is dark? Why is dark?
Why is dark here?
Why is dark there, my dear?
Hari ba sa dalo? Hari ka timid.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Lassie Beach Club, which is here in City or Island. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Mga model ng Lassie Beach Club. Dito dari nice dito.